Hi, I'm Henry Toth. I'm the product manager with Schaublin SA, and we're here at the GrindingHub 2026. So we're here today demonstrating our new SPR25 quick chains collet chuck. It's a brand new chuck system intended for tool grinding machines. It's a new version of a W collet, which we've removed the thread on and instead put a groove at the end so it can be contracted by a collet. And the whole idea is that it's a quick change system, so it can be automated by a robot to switch the end mill which is being ground and at the same time switch the collet with the use of the robot. Schaublin is a Swiss-based tool manufacturer which has been around for over 100 years. We specialize in high-precision tooling for CNC, tool grinding machines, milling machines, and turning machines, Swiss-type machines as well. We're known for our high precision. We make collets, we make tool holders, and other high-precision products.